So it's a verb preposition combination followed by a verb in the gerund form. You should be better off leaving now instead of tomorrow. So this be better off is a verb preposition combination, so followed by a verb in the gerund form, which is an ing form. Now, the following expression contain, these are the three verb expressions to look at. These are the expressions of verb preposition combinations where this to is actually a preposition, and so be mindful of this कि इन expressions के अंदर जो आपके पास to लिखा हुआ है, this is a preposition and it has nothing to do with the to of infinitive verb form. So इसके बाद आपको ये preposition ही है, तो इसके बाद आने वाला verb भी gerund form में ही होगा. So these verb preposition combinations again must always be followed by a verb in its gerund form. So इसकी example देख लेते हैं. So these three verbs are object to, look forward to, and confess to. Again, this to is a preposition, so you better not confuse it with an infinitive verb form to. So look at the examples now. Fred confessed to stealing the jewels. So again, this is a verb preposition combination followed by a verb in the gerund form. We are not looking forward to going back to school. So again, forward to is followed by a verb preposition, so it's the verb followed by must be in the gerund form, which is a going. Now we spoke about the verb preposition combinations. Now we look at few examples जहाँ पे आपके पास adjective मौजूद है preposition के साथ combination में, तो इनके बाद आने वाला verb भी must always be in the gerund form. So look at the examples of those adjective prepositions. It includes accustomed to, this is an adjective followed by a to, which is a preposition. Afraid of, again adjective followed by preposition. Capable of is again adjective followed by preposition. Fond of, intent on, interested in, successful in, tired of. So kindly stop your video, pause your video here और इन adjective preposition को list कर लें. इनके बाद आने वाला verb must be again in the gerund form. So example are, Mitch is afraid of getting married now. This afraid of is followed by a verb in the gerund form. We are accustomed to sleeping late on weekends. So accustomed to is an adjective preposition combination followed by a verb in the gerund form, which is sleeping. Jean is not capable of understanding the predicament. So this capable of is an adjective preposition combination which is followed by a gerund verb form. Alvaro is intent on finishing school next year. So intent on is an adjective preposition composition followed by verb in the gerund form. Craig is fond of dancing. Again, fond of is an adjective preposition combination followed by gerund